In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in LibreOffice Impress. Duplicating slides is a fast way to reuse a design, maintain consistent formatting, and save time when building a presentation. Instead of recreating layouts or reapplying styles, you can copy an existing slide and then adjust the content on the duplicate. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. When the app opens, you'll see your workspace. On the left side is the Slides pane, which is the vertical column of thumbnails showing small previews of each slide in order. This is where you'll select the slide you want to copy. Next, use an existing file so you're duplicating from a real presentation. Open the presentation you want to modify. Working with an existing file ensures that the duplicate carries over the exact fonts, images, colors, and layout you already set up, keeping your look consistent from slide to slide. Now, for the first method. In the Slides pane, locate the slide you want to copy. Right-click that slide to open the context menu, then choose Duplicate Slide. Impress immediately creates a copy and places it right after the original. This is perfect when you want a safe starting point before changing text, swapping images, or tweaking the layout. If you prefer using the top menu, there's a second way to do the same thing. Click once on the slide you wish to duplicate in the Slides pane to select it. Then go to the top menu bar, open Slide, and choose Duplicate Slide. You'll get the same result. A new slide appears directly after the one you selected. Both methods duplicate the entire structure of the slide, including master styles, placeholders, and any transitions or animations assigned to that slide. After duplicating, go ahead and edit the copy while leaving the original untouched. This approach helps you iterate quickly without risking the design you already like. If you make a change you don't want, remember you can always undo and try again. A quick tip for efficiency. Duplicate first, then change content. This keeps your formatting consistent and saves you from rebuilding elements. Also, watch the Slides pane for the highlight around the selected thumbnail so you know for sure you're editing the duplicate, not the original. That's all there is to it. Launch LibreOffice Impress, open your existing presentation, and duplicate a slide either by right-clicking in the Slides pane or by using the slide menu at the top. With these two options, you'll keep your workflow fast and your presentation clean and consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.